What's the time? Seems it's already morning. I see the sky, it's so beautiful and blue. The TV's on, but the only thing showing is a picture of you. Oh, I get up and make myself some coffee. I try to read a bit, but the story's too thin. I thank the Lord above that you're not here to see me in the shape I'm in. Spending my time watching the days go by, feeling so small. I stare at the wall, hoping that you think of me too. I'm spending my time. I try to call, but I don't know what to tell you. I leave a kiss on your answering machine. Oh, help me please. Is there someone who can make me wake up from this dream? Ooh, spending my time watching the days go by, feeling so small. I stare at the wall, hoping that you are missing me too. I'm spending my time watching the sun go down. I fall asleep to the sound of tears of a clown, a prayer gone blind.
I think it would be best for you to spend your time with the audience. Unlike B, you look like you are glued there. You never even moved an inch. You were just there. Spend your time with your audience. That's the best thing.
How similar? Can you make sure that you listen like really carefully to check your key? You were not on key. How similar?
Yeah, all of you have the same problem. You don't start properly. I think before you come on stage, just practice that, starting, you know, and the key as well. All of you have problems with the key, low notes, and you all tend to finish well, but that's not good enough.